So in the last question, we applied, that is part A, we applied BIDMAS to find the order of operation. Now we need to rearrange the formula to write K in terms of I, M, and C. So that means we're going to do subject of formula. We make K the subject of the formula. So there are two things to think about it. We can say this is BIDMAS in reverse, and I'm saying it's BIDMAS in reverse because what you're doing is last done is first undone. What that means is the last thing you've done in the operation is going to be the first thing you will undo by doing the opposite. So if we look at this operation, I, because you have to do the brackets first, you realize that the last thing that you did was actually so the first thing you're going to do is whatever is inside the bracket. That was the first thing, and then the last thing you're going to do is you're multiplying. So that means that multiplication is last. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So that means division is first. So since multiplication is you're multiplying with m, then it means you're going to divide both sides by m. So let's write it down. Let's not worry about the multiplication sign. So just divide both sides by m. So that means that we're going to have I over m is going to be equals to k squared plus c squared. Then we just keep repeating. So if we come to BIDMAS, we look at what's on the right hand side is indices and addition. So that means addition was last thing done. So that means that we're going to do, so addition is last. So that means the opposite of that is subtraction. Now in this step is going to be the first. So we're going to subtract because we want to make k squared, k the subject, means we have to make k by itself. So we're going to have to subtract c squared on both sides. Now that now leaves us with k squared. So obviously now it means square means we're going to take square root. Hence, we're going to find that k is going to be the square root of I over m minus c squared.